Hello everybody, my name is Orestes. I'm from Cyprus and I'm studying in Moscow. I'm using buses, I'm using all the transports that exist in this place. There's also the application of car sharing that you can actually not rent for some time a car and use it and just park somewhere, and that's all. You left, this is not your car anymore. So transporting in Moscow actually is kinda a good schedule, and they're working until midnight. Sometimes they are just 24 hours working. So transport is like amazing. There is a big companies for taxis. There's Yandex. There is not only like taxi company. There is a lot of other stuff also. Taxis are pretty much good. They are updated since like 10 or 15 years ago. That you was just taking taxi from the street. So if you just have a phone now, you just can order a taxi without any problem. In the application is written everything, like who is this guy, is he legal, is he illegal? Actually it's legal, because if he wasn't legal, it shouldn't be there. So pretty much taxis are safe here, not so expensive, and you just have to order it in the time that is not gonna be traffic. So taxis are making their job like good. The cost is not expensive. It's 8 rubles per minute. If you just need insurance, it's gonna cost like 9 rubles per minute. Actually, this is like a really good application, comfortable, not expensive. You can go wherever you want, and it's not your car, so you like chill. You not care it's gonna be like broken something. So car sharing is like pretty much good idea if you can use it. So all you have to make is national driving license, and car sharing is ready. Once I was with my friend has a car. It was around 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening when the traffic is just crashing like everywhere. And I was with my friend, it was my first time in traffic jam, and I asked him like, how much this is gonna be like this? He was like, just sit and wait. We don't know, maybe sometimes like for 2 or 3 hours, you can just sitting in the car and just moving like 1 meter. Sometimes you just went away for 20 minutes to the place that you need without traffic jam. But traffic jams is in the morning when people are going to work, and at the evening when people are going from work back home. In my place, the people are not using. Actually, we don't have metro in Cyprus. Not so many people are using buses. And that is because everyone has his own car. Sometimes that's not so good, but that's the place I'm living. So that's the main difference. Like our video and subscribe the channel. Keep doing it.